Hello everybody and welcome to my channel and welcome to What's New in JQ Crafty's Corner. Seriously, one of these days I'll say it correctly without... I have more of a question for you guys. So whilst I was going through items to search for a specific item, I found all of this stuff from our Black Hills trip, which I have been documenting all month long. So this is ephemera, memorabilia, that sort of thing, which I'm glad I have this Bear Country poster because I took 0 photos because it was really hard to get photos. We have a lot of video clips, but it was really hard to get photos when we were at Bear Country. So I remember I had a really crappy phone. For film or taking photos and everything at the time. But so I have that, I have a vacation guide, I have the state park guide from that year. What do you guys do with this stuff? I would like to keep it. I mean, this, I could maybe rip some things out of it, which would be kind of cool for some things, but, what do you guys do? I just wanted your opinion on what you do with this kind of stuff. I was thinking about getting those, they're like big envelope pockets that can go in 3-ring binders and just shoving this stuff in there. This would be really cool, Custer State Park, because then I can take a picture of it on my phone and using the selfie app, and I can print this. So that'll be helpful because I could do that for a lot of these things. But I wouldn't mind keeping these brochures and these guides. So what do you guys do with that kind of stuff? What do you do? Let me know. I've got some postcards and a sticker that I'll probably put somewhere. But what do you guys do with this stuff? Let me know. Thanks. We'll see you next time.